For this recipe we are gonna need a half kilo of pumpkin, some garlic cloves, some chili flakes, salt, fresh parsley, and the most important ingredient, some apple vinegar. We are gonna start by cutting the pumpkin into big chunks. It is very important to cut it into big chunks because we are gonna need big slices at the end. Clean the chunks from the seeds and the inside veins and peel the skin. After cleaning, the pumpkin chunks will look like this. Then we are gonna cut very thin slices. The slices should be 1 millimeter. Thinner are the slices, better is the result. We are gonna cut all the chunks into slices, and at the end we are gonna start preparing the garlic cloves. We are gonna clean 10 to 12 garlic cloves and we are gonna cut them into small slices. We are gonna leave them aside because we are gonna use them later during the recipe. Then we are gonna chop some fresh parsley and we are gonna leave it aside because we are gonna use it later. Lightly salt all the pumpkin slices before start preparing the pickled salad. I'm going to use an airtight container because the pickled salad should stay 24 to 48 hours into the fridge. Then I'm gonna make the first layer of some chili flakes, parsley and garlic, then the pumpkin slices. Then I will repeat the same, chili flakes, garlic, parsley and the second layer of pumpkin slices. And I will continue like this. I will repeat this process until the container is full. At the top layer I will press a little bit down and then I will top it with some garlic, chili flakes and parsley. Then when everything is ready, I'm gonna start preparing the liquid in which they will get pickled actually. Pour 300 ml of vinegar and 200 ml of water, mix it and add the mixture very carefully to the pumpkin until the pumpkin slices are covered, totally covered into the liquid. Close the lid of your airtight container and put it in the fridge for 24 to 48 hours. The best results are always after 48 hours. Then you can serve it as it is with some olive oil, or you can put it on top of your salad or on top of your favorite toast.